The power mirror switch is located on the driver's door trim. Use the control buttons to select the left mirror or right mirror. After selecting a mirror, move the control in the same direction you want the mirror to move. If your vehicle is equipped with heated power mirrors, these mirrors are heated to melt frost or ice. This feature is activated whenever you turn on the rear window defroster. And if equipped, the power folding mirrors provide easy folding and unfolding of your side mirrors. The switch is located between the left and right power mirror select switch. Push it once and the mirrors fold in. Push it a second time and the mirrors return to normal driving position. To reset the power mirrors, fold and unfold them by pushing the switch. This resets them to their normal position. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.